We are in Excel multi-project 1. Currently we're working on project 4, network hardware. Task 1 asks us to go ahead and add a brand new worksheet named customers to the workbook. So that's pretty simple. This plus sign right here, if we go ahead and click that, it opens up a brand new sheet and we need to edit the name. You can just double click here and notice that it highlights that text, and we'll go ahead and type in customers. Notice that I'm typing in a capital C here, and you can click enter and it sets that name there. We'll click mark completed. Task 2 asks us to go ahead and go to the wired networks table on this hardware tab, and pay attention because there's the wired and then they have the wireless networks here, and it tells us to remove all the duplicates in the wired. So I'm going to select the column headings as well as the data underneath. We're going to go to the data tab, and over here in the data tools we're going to click remove duplicates. Now over here we want to make sure we have my data has headers, and it's going to list out all the different things to look at. We're just going to go ahead and click OK, and notice it removes some of the entries in there. We'll click mark completed. Task 3 actually asks us to go ahead and in A1 on the hardware worksheet, we're going to go ahead and insert this image. So we're going to go to the insert tab, we're going to go to pictures, and from here we're in the documents. We'll click that, my documents, and we're going to go ahead and click GMetrix templates, and it tells us the network typology. It's a PNG file. We'll go ahead and double click there. Notice it went ahead and placed that there for us in A1. We'll click mark completed. Task 4 asks us to go ahead and rotate the text wired networks and wireless at the same time. You could do it individually, or if you select the first cell, hold the control key, and then select the wireless network, you'll have two cells selected at the same time. And then from here we're on the home tab alignment group, and we're going to click this and click angle clockwise. Click mark completed. And task 5 asks us to go ahead and sort the data in the wired networks and sort by product ID, smallest to largest. So we're going to go ahead and select the column headings and all the data in there. And we're going to go to, there's multiple ways to do this. You could right click, but I'm going to go to data tab and I'm going to click sort here in the sort and filter. And it tells us product ID, and it says smallest to largest. Make sure it says that here. And the only reason I see this is because I also selected the column headings when I selected my data before I sorted. So with that selected, we'll click OK, and notice it goes ahead and it sorts the product ID here. We'll click mark completed.